Prof.SUMIOKA's 1 Minute Philosophy.
Hi, how do you do?
Professor SUMIOKA, what is tabula rasa?
It means a whiteboard, in Latin. Denying innate ideas, even that of God, Empiricist Locke expressed our original intelligence with this word. He was also a political theorist of the Glorious Revolution in the late 17th century, and he thought, our society is similarly a whiteboard, without the beforehand given divine right of kings.
What's it all about?
3 apples, 5 inches across, etc., are primary qualities of the object itself. However, red, sweet, and so on, are secondary qualities, depending on the sense of the observer. Moreover, general ideas, such as apple, may vary for every person. Nonetheless, since we get a lot of experience, and condense them by induction, general ideas will be almost the same. Therefore, we can get along well, only with our common sense. Still, since our experiences are not exactly the same, some ideas are so different, that we may be in trouble. In such a case, we entrust a part of our natural rights, to a government, as a social contract. However, if the government does not work well, we may replace it, with revolution.
What do you think?
Some say, it is going well, but some say, not. Our intelligence and society are always so much worse mess, than a whiteboard, that, they will never be consistent.
Professor SUMIOKA, I got it well, thanks.